what's up guys? Welcome back. Matt here from myrawintuition.com, here to show you how to make your very own plant milks. I've got two of my favorite recipes, sunflower seed milk and flaxseed milk. Both of these recipes are only 3 ingredients, so it's really fast, it's really simple, and it's really affordable, especially if you're going to the supermarket to buy your milks. Now I want to help you guys go dairy-free, whether it's for your health, whether it's for the environment, the animals, or for the taste, because the taste of this milk much better than any dairy milk that you're gonna find. So let's get into the whole process here. I'm gonna take you step by step, show you the tools you'll need, and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to start improving your health, improving the environment, saving animals' lives, and having some delicious plant milks to enjoy at home. Alright, let's take a look at what we're gonna need to make our nut milks. So first off, we're gonna need a blender. I've got a Vitamix, which is a high-speed blender, which works so well for making nut milks and seed milks. But if you don't have a high-speed blender, don't worry about it. Any blender can make delicious plant milks. You're also gonna need a nut milk bag. So this is available online. You can get them at most health food stores. You can also get them at some grocery stores. But if you can't find a nut milk bag, you can also use cheesecloth. But I do recommend finding a nut milk bag because these are, they just work the best and they're just really convenient. Then you're also gonna need your nuts or seeds. So here I've got 1/2 cup of flax seeds and I've got 1 cup of sunflower seeds. I've also got a sweetener. Most nut milks or seed milks are going to have some sort of a sweetener in them. I prefer to use medjool dates because they are a whole food and they are healthy. So 2 dates in each recipe is just enough sweetness to make this milk delicious. Then you're also gonna need water. So each of these recipes calls for 5 cups of water each. I'm using reverse osmosis water. I highly recommend that over tap water for a number of reasons. It tastes better. It doesn't have all the chemicals that tap water has in it. So I prefer reverse osmosis water when I'm making nut milks. Then we've also got 2 large mason jars here to store the milk in. They're glass, they're airtight, and they just work really well for storing nut milks. And then the last thing is just a large bowl to work along with our nut milk bag. It's gonna catch the milk as it strains through the bag. And that is it, guys. That is all the tools and ingredients that we need to make 2 delicious plant milks. So let's start working on the first milk. Alright guys, there you go. 2 delicious plant milks to make at home in under 10 minutes. Again, these are 2 of my favorite plant milks to make. Not only are they some of the most affordable plant milks that you can make, but they're also some of the most delicious. The sunflower seed milk is a little gray. It's a little darker in color than the flax milk, which is more of an off-white creamy color. But flavor-wise, the sunflower seed milk is, it's light, It's got that little hint of sunflower seed flavor, and it mixes really well with the sweetness of the dates. The flax milk is much creamier. It's a little bit nutty, and again, it goes really well with the sweetness of the dates. So again, 2 delicious plant milks that you can use in cereal, in coffee, in, you know, just drinking by themselves. You know, they have a lot of different uses. Pretty much anything that you would do with dairy milk, you can do with these or any other plant milks. But consistency and flavor does make a difference. So there's an article on vegbite.com with all the different plant milks that you can use, all their descriptions, all their uses. So if you love to use plant milks, definitely check out that article and you'll learn a little bit about each different plant milk that's available. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you will make these and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments box down below. And until next time, guys, always follow your raw intuition.
Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.